Hello and hi there, my name is Piotr Markal, I'm Polish technical artist, and I want to welcome you to this video in which I want to say a few words about my Wire plugin, version 0.2.1, that was quite recently released on Autodesk App Store. So, I thought it's probably a good time to promote this tool a little bit, as well as create a small tutorial, because there is no such thing right now available. So, even though this plugin is quite easy to use, I think it's still useful to have such thing on YouTube. So yeah, this video will be about me giving you a quick demo, as well as showing you how to get this plugin and install it into Maya. And in the second video, I'm actually going to walk you through different settings and options that are available to you when using this plugin. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight to our quick demo. In my Maya scene, I have a model of a robot's hand, and I want to add some cables to this model. So with this plugin, it's as easy as just selecting all the NURBS curves that I already created just to save up some time, and going to Create menu, Wire Tools, and click in Wire Mesh from Curve menu item. And with that, I'll get my cables, but of course, as you can see, they're a little bit too wide. So this operation comes with some default settings, so you probably want to tweak those. So let me do this right now. I'll change the scale profile attribute and just pull this slider down to something that I like so. And I also will give a little bit more resolution alongside the curve. Then I will do that. I will do this by increasing the number of steps that are necessary to, as you can see, to add more sections along the wire. But again, don't worry, I'll be walking you through those settings and options a little bit more in depth in the next video. But for now, just observe. But basically, that's the demo. The point of this was to show that creation of wires and cables with this plugin is very easy, super fast, especially if you compare those what this plugin can do to what Maya can offer to you out of the box. Well, it's such a time saver, comparison to poly extrusion or NURBS extrusion that you would usually go with when creating such shapes. So yeah, again, that was the demo. So at this point, I want to show you how to get this plugin and load it into Maya. So to get this plugin, you will need to go to Autodesk App Store. The address is apps.autodesk.com. And here in the search bar, just simply type wire. And the first option that pops up should be the correct one. So wire with this icon. So click it. And here, just make sure that you choose the right operating system. So if you're using macOS, then choose macOS. If you're using Windows, then choose Windows. And if you're using Linux, then choose Linux. And with that, you can now download, click the download button. But very important thing to note is that you'll need an Autodesk account in order to download anything from the Autodesk App Store, including this plugin. So the good news is that you should have Autodesk account if you're using any Autodesk product because of the whole cloud solution stuff. But still, if you don't have one, it's free to sign up. So do it, because otherwise, again, you will not be able to download this plugin. I already signed in, so I'll just click the download button. And I'll be prompted to download the MSI installer. But as you can see, I already did that, so let me just cancel the operation and just jump to a folder where my installer is located. So, at this point is as easy as just clicking twice on the installer, and the small window should pop up like this one, as you can see, wire 0.2.1. And I'm not going to install it because I already have my plugin installed on my machine. But just click install now. I believe there's one more step. You just click next, and it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. So you should not have any problems with doing that. So, but after you install the plugin, you just close the installer and open Maya. So let me do this right now and jump into my new Maya session. After installing and opening new Maya session, we want to make sure that everything is set up correctly, and we're going to do this by going to Windows menu, Settings and Preferences, and clicking Plugin Manager. And in Maya 2018, they added this very neat search bar, so I'm just going to type wire here, and wire.py is visible, it's loaded, and also option autoload is checked. So just make sure those two options are checked. And after that, I'm going to close the Plugin Manager. And in the Create menu, Wire Tools submenu should be visible with one menu item in it, Wire Mesh from Curve. So I'll just make sure that everything is working correctly by creating very simple NURBS curve. And again, going to Create menu, Wire Tools, and click in Wire Mesh from Curve command. And as you can see, everything is working, so that's good. And yeah, at this point, that's basically the video. Again, in the next one, I'm going to walk you through different settings and attributes, options that are available here in the attribute editor. But for now, that's basically everything that I want to show you in this video. So thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one.